But yeah, I'm comfortable. I'm good. My nails grew a lot.
They did grow a lot.
Grew a
Let me
lot.
see this. Let me see this. Oh, damn, they look clean.
I clean them every chance I get.
Dude, I'm so happy about this. Look at this.
I know.
It's such a big improvement. I mean, the only thing is it's still growing out like this. And
Yeah,
I have a
that's that
solution.
thick
I have a
skin.
solution for that.
Okay.
But the only way to put this solution on is like
I gotta take the nail off.
you got to take the nail off, because the thing is there is a solution. I had a client, she had the same problem. And we put this
The
in.
overskin grow. I've been using like a nail fungi to get rid of the the
good.
skin. The skin, and then automatic that funk. The little.
So do you put it under here? Did it work, you think?
Yeah, it
Okay.
did. Look,
How long have
look
you
at
been
this
using
one.
it?
Look, I just started using when I moved down here.
I'm proud of you. Continue on. We'll keep it on for another time, okay?
Okay.
But like if this like for example, if this nail continue to grow like that out to here, I don't want you to have long nail and looking like that on the bottom.
That's why I'm using the fungi.
Do the fungi for now. Within a month, we'll come back. We're gonna check it out. We're gonna make sure we follow through. Girl, don't worry about your car, because if somebody jack your car, I will hurt them so badly. I will Jackie Chan their ass up. Don't worry.
This is what they doing. If you take that, it's gonna be. That's not my car. That's the Sonny.
It don't matter. Dasani,
So
Pepsi, Coca-Cola.
He said he don't care. It's the Sonny, Pepsi, Coca-Cola.
I will hurt somebody if they jack Auntie's car.
Yeah, that's the Sonny.
I will go Bruce Lee on their ass. You're doing a great job. I see big improvement. I'm proud of you, Nick. Keep going for a month. Again, if this thing grows out to here and it's still looking like that, I got a new solution for you. But I'm going to personally go out and buy that formula for you. My clients had it.
I'm gonna
Bring that one. I'll bring you mine.
Yeah.
I'll just give you both. That's me loving you right there.
Okay.
But let's go
But,
and begin.
but it's getting better.
It is.
Thicker
It
than
is.
this.
It was thicker than this,
was
and
way
it was
thicker.
color. It was like a yellowish color, but now this is more like the healthy side coming out.
Right.
The top still look good. I don't care.
Yeah, dude.
Let's get it.